Emergency surgery. Doctor placed a clamp on major vein. Please support my channel by liking and subscribing. Very thanks you. He forgot to remove it before closing. Patient went home recovering. Days later, pressure built up. Veins burst inside the body. Massive internal bleeding. Rushed back to hospital. Real case. France, 2024. They saved him, but lost kidney function forever. Doctor faced lawsuit and suspension. If a clamp left in you, sue the surgeon? Call it accident? Comment 1 or 2.